Hey guys, how you going? We're about to start this renovation on this beautiful old Queenslander here behind me over in Wynnum. So we got all the guys on site this morning. We're getting all the temporary fence and everything set up, our site signage, ready to get cracking on this one. So give you a really quick look at this one before we get into it. So we've had our site walk around this morning with Todd, our supervisor, and one of our chippies. We've started our whiteboard, so we're doing all of our tasks and little odd jobs that need to be done over the next week to get the job set up to make sure it's a smooth job. We've also done a walk around the site, marked things that are staying, things that have to be saved, put in the old house and looked after and all that sort of stuff. But it's really important to do a pre-start meeting on these jobs, make sure everyone's on the same page, everyone knows what's going on. So look, this one here, we're doing a lift and build under. So it's your typical old Queenslander. We're removing all the vegetation on the site. So we're doing a lift, build in under, pool and landscaping. So this one's another Aaron Wales building design job. Another cracking little job, honed concrete floors, a lot of detail inside, and then a detailed pool area. And it's also got a landscape design that's been done by Alison at the Green Boutique. So yeah, we're around the back of the house now, if you can see it there behind me. So yeah, like I said, we've been around this morning. We've marked everything out. So today the boys are going to start stripping the underneath the house. We'll get rid of all the existing slab, walls, any of the linings underneath, because we've got our house raiser coming in next week to lift up this one. And then we'll go straight on to our plumbing under slab and all of our concrete work. So all the existing stairs at the front here are all getting reconfigured. We're actually recycling stairs on this one, so we're combining the existing stairs plus a set of stairs from another old Queenslander we worked on a few years ago to create a really nice new entry on this home. Like I say, DPS Constructions is all about sustainability, reusing things, recycling. But yeah, that's about it on this one, guys. I'll keep you updated. It's going to be another cracking little renovation.